Gskyer Telescope, 70mm aperture 400mm AZ refractor. Man, I gotta say this little Gskyer is the kind of starter rig that actually makes stargazing feel possible instead of intimidating. Out of the box you get a 70mm objective and a 400mm focal length, f5.7, 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow, plus a 5x24 finder, phone adapter and a wireless remote. So you can actually snap the moon through your phone without a gymnastics routine. At the time I checked the Amazon listing, the price was shown around $86.97 and the product carries a solid 4.25 customer score from thousands of buyers, which explains why it's often recommended for families and beginners. The optics are fully coated, they highlight high transmission coatings, the aluminum tripod is adjustable for quick setup, and the included carry bag makes it a neat travel telescope for weekend camping. In use I found the mount stable enough for the moon and bright planets, and the 3x Barlow genuinely ups the magnification without making the view unusable. For planetary details you'll want steadier mounting, but for casual lunar sessions and learning constellations this is a delightful, affordable option. Quick note for viewers, pricing and promotions fluctuate, so check the product link. And yes, we share by links in the description box.